And you got it. You recorded it?
Yep.
Oh, cool. So, Arby's saw the video we did, and they were good enough to send us a package of an appreciation somehow. So, if you hadn't seen the video, we did a video. Myself and my friend Tommy collected 9 different chicken sandwiches from 9 different stores to see what chicken sandwich we thought was best in the chicken sandwich war. And we announced, hands down, Arby's was by far the best. So they sent us, oh wow, wow.
What's in there?
Yep. Arby hats.
Cool.
Oh. Let's see what this is. Hey, Jim, we recently tuned in and saw your video, Who Has the Best Chicken Sandwich? We just wanted to say thank you for all the love. In appreciation, we have enclosed this package, your very own meat sweats. And also some gift cards too. Cool. And the hats. Oh, awesome.
Awesome. Curly fries.
Check this out. You ain't gonna believe this. Wow. Oh, you got pants in. Look at that.
Oh, cool.
Roast beef, meat sweats. Looks like there's 2 sets.
Is that a hoodie? Oh,
It's a hoodie jacket.
jacket. Oh, cool.
You ever try it on?
Yeah.
Oh,
I love it.
I think I love it too. Is this great or what?
It looks awesome.
Thank you, Arby's. Well, I'm not gonna be, I probably won't wear the hat out, but I will be sporting this. What do you think?
I really like it. Is it comfortable?
Yes. I'm gonna go into the gym. I might start working out again. I feel beefy.
I love
I
it.
can't wait for Tommy to see his. I really can't.
You guys should wear them to Arby's.
Oh, that's gonna happen. You know what I think we should do? I think you should try Tommy's on right now.
Okay, I will.
I think you should try. Ready? All right, let's keep. Come on out.
Really comfortable.
They are, aren't they? I love it. Let's get a Arby's selfie. We're running video, so we'll just have to freeze frame some of this.